Here. This is what it looks like over here. The wind's picking up pretty bad. And I turn around, and here's what I see. And it is very windy. Very windy. And I'm walking in it. Yeah, I'm not the brightest bulb in the book. Holy shit! This is actually pretty cool. Like, the wind feels like it's going to pick me up and knock me over. See? Sonic's even enjoying it. Okay! See, if I die... Well, that's all I'm going to say. Still, light, dark. There's where it kind of meets the halfway. That's like Onyx is flapping in the breeze. Yeah, it looks like shit is going to tear down soon. Very soon, actually. And I'm going to cut it off here. I was hoping to get some good lightning shots, but the sky of darkness is kind of right over me, so I do not want to get electrocuted, really. I don't. Oh, there was one. Okay, maybe I'll get a couple more. Hold on. Honestly, still flapping in the breeze. She's the one that brought me out in this. So this is pretty fucking cool. No more lightning. Damn. Looks like Independence Day out here.